Hi, I'm attorney Sherry Stinson, and I wanted to talk to you today about one of the most common questions I get regarding powers of attorney. One of the most frequent phone calls I get is from a family member whose mom or dad is starting to have some issues. The family member needs to step in and start managing affairs, and they call and they say, Sherry, I want to get a power of attorney for my mom or dad. Now, when I say this with all respect to the family. But if you are calling me on behalf of an aging parent who can no longer manage their affairs, I'm probably going to stop our conversation right there. One of the best things I can do for any of my clients is to protect the estate plan that they've put together from somebody wanting to come back at a later time and complain about something that was done with the estate plan. So the myth is that if mom or dad is incapacitated, that they can actually come in and sign this power of attorney. I don't know about other states, but in Florida, this simply is not true. If your mom or dad lacks capacity to sign a power of attorney so that you can step in and manage their finances for them, I can't help you with a power of attorney. Now we're in the territory of talking about guardianships, which, when established, with the filing fees and attorneys and everything else that gets added all in, we're talking about at least $5,000 to get that started. And this really underscores the importance of good estate planning while you have the capacity and you know who you are and where you are and what you want, and doing these documents together. Now, if you call me and maybe you're just trying to help mom or dad out, I am so happy that your mom or dad has somebody who wants to help them. But I'm going to stop you right there. And I'm going to tell you, if your mom or dad has capacity, they need to be the ones to call me, because at the end of the day, again, it's really about protecting their intent. And if someone wants to come in and Monday morning quarterback a decision that your mom or dad has made, they're going to say things like, well, my sister took her to the lawyer's office and my sister paid for it, and my sister sat there and my sister witnessed it. And that's not doing anybody any favors. Remember, at the end of the day, the problem that we want to solve is giving your family peace of mind, giving your mom and dad peace of mind. So we're in COVID times right now. I want you to imagine a situation where maybe mom or dad is in the hospital and they need some help urgently. Now, you can either have a really hectic scenario where you haven't planned and now you're calling me with a really expensive problem, or you can have a scenario where you've thought about it ahead of time, you have a good solid plan, you've met with an attorney who has integrity and they're watching out for you. And in that moment, when things are really going sideways, you know that you've got a plan that mom or dad or you are going to be taken care of, and you can rest easy and get through this situation with one less stressful thing on your plate. I'm attorney Sherry Stinson. I've been in Palm Harbor for 16 years. This is all I do, is help people like you and your family. So if you're wondering today, how do I plan for those worst case scenarios? And how do I keep myself out of those really expensive situations? And what's the best course of action? Give me a call. I can help you figure it out. And even if you don't call me, make sure you call someone. I am so passionate about making families not have to go through these really, really stressful issues. And with a little bit of proper planning, you can avoid that.